how to use CapCut on PC step by step. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty easy and quick video. Now, in order to start, of course, you gotta search for CapCut, and then instead of clicking on the main website, you just have to click on the video editor over there, and then you get this. So create a project. So you can select a resolution, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, LinkedIn ads, Facebook ads, or if you just actually want it to use as a regular video editor, then you can also just click on blank canvas, and then you will start here. So in order to actually start, of course, you have to upload something. So you can either click on here, or you can just drag and drop a file in there, and then it will start uploading that file into the project. So once it has been done uploading, you can click on the plus icon, and it will be put in this video player, as you can see. So that is great. And then over here you can select also a different resolution, as you can see, or just keep it on the original. If you want to make adjustments, then you simply have to click on here. Here I can make it, for example, smaller or bigger. Here you have a different couple of options, like the size. Let's just keep this at 100%. Position, rotate, opacity. Here you also have some audio options. You can even put voice effects over here. You can speed it up or slow it down. And there are also some animations, such as like transitions. So an in transition, an out transition, and a combo for like edits and such, which is pretty cool. Then over here you have a couple of different options as well. So undo is Control Z, and then you have also split, Control B. Here delete is backspace or delete, reverse, crop, or mirror, like that. And here you can crop it. So that's great as well. If you want to make some micro adjustments over here on the right, you can zoom all the way in and then just go frame by frame, as you can see, which is also very helpful. And here you can zoom out a bit. And yeah, there's also a command for zooming in and out. So that's cool and all. Then on the left, we also have a couple of different options. So here you also have stock videos. So here you have animation videos, which you can use, for example, for transitions. Here you also have a couple of different text, like presets or stock videos. Here's some cinematic stock videos, which you can use, for example, for a background in your video time lapse. This is actually pretty cool. You can also search for some stuff, so for example, mountains, and you have a bunch of, you actually have a lot of stock videos in here, which is great. So yeah, you can also go to audio. Here you can have music. You can also have effects such as sound effects, like taking a photo. And yeah, you have some standard stock, like TikTok type of sounds. Here you can also add text. You have text templates. Like, you have actually a lot of this, and it's very fun to just mess around with this yourself. You even have stickers, extra effects, such as these. So yeah, you also have transitions over here. For example, this. Oh, you need at least 2 clips. So let's split this and then add this transition. And then if we were to play it, let's zoom in a bit. See, that's how it would look like. That's pretty cool. And yeah, you even have filters like color corrections and stuff. And then here is the library. So here you can, for example, add GIFs from Giphy. But there's actually more coming soon, but that's not there yet. And something which is very cool as well is that you also have a cloud option where you can sync videos to your cloud. So wherever you are and you log in, you can add those videos in here in order to immediately edit. So yeah, once you are done with your video, you can click on export, and you first have to log in like it says over there. Then you can click on export, and project is now being saved in the cloud. Then I want to click on export again. And here I can select the resolution. So 720p, 1080, 2K, 4K. I'm going to select the 1080p, and then you can also, for example, set it to high quality, 60 FPS, and then use MP4, and then export it. Oh, and of course, give it a name. And that's how you can use CapCut step by step on PC. I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.